Natural remedies for bronchitis. Bronchitis is an inflammation of the lungs which is caused by viruses. It causes cough that often brings up mucus. It can also cause shortness of breath, wheezing, a low fever, and chest tightness. Treating this with conventional medications will increase the resistance of pathogens to antibiotics. We recommend the disease to cure with natural home remedies. Here are the popular home remedies to treat bronchitis. Firecracker fern tea is packed with bioflavonoids that improve the antibacterial or antiviral. Researchers determine exactly how these compounds work effective in treating these diseases. These compounds contain antioxidants that may protect your cells from free radical damage. These compounds also can eradicate bad bacteria instantly.
There are more natural remedies to cure this illness by following the website below.